Nidus Breachcast, the world's first identity management app made exclusively for identity experts and product owners, is available in the iOS App Store now.
Nidus Anarchy series, I am here with Michael Harris from NextgenID, and you guys are doing something really cool at your booth that we're going to demonstrate, but tell us a little bit about your background and about NextgenID.
Sure, thanks Ian. So we're a company that focuses on IL3, Identity Assurance Level 3, and it is the only company that is Kantara certified for our SRIP, Supervised Remote Identity Proofing, and assurance at that highest level of security. So one of the things we're doing here today is showcasing how easy it is with AI to deepfake an individual. In a very simple way, we can spoof video sessions on Teams, on Zoom, even interacting with someone for remote onboarding as employment. And so our technology combats that through the use of AI defenders and live agents.
Did you see that big story with, I believe it was a Chinese company where they went on Zoom?
Absolutely.
All right, so we did an episode on this if you guys look back, but yeah, there was a Chinese company that went on Zoom and they did a transaction of what,
$25 million as impersonating the CFO.
Yeah, so that was unheard of just a year ago. It's amazing how quickly this has evolved. What are your feelings on that?
I'm scared to death. I mean, AI is not in any way governed or secured today, and it's out in the wild. And literally my team did this through open source tools in 10 minutes. And you can see how live an individual can come up and completely impersonate another person. They did this in one of our stand-ups in the morning. They represented me as CTO. So there were two of us on the call, but if they had actually joined the session as me, they could have run the entire session, and who would know?
It's incredible, yeah. And as Adam would say if he was here, our CIO, is that we're only in the infancy. This is as like primitive as it's going to be, and it's going to improve from here tremendously.
100%.
So let's demonstrate what you guys are doing actually. So we'll show what you look like right here, that you don't look like Taylor Swift, you look like your own individual person. And yeah, let me see how close we can get on here. And now even I look like, oh, so is it just doing me? How do we get it so
it's taking the closest face.
Okay, wow. It's Taylor Swift.
If I move my head, it's real time. If I talk, fine.
It's very incredible.
Yeah.
So amazing demonstrating this. I can only imagine where things are going to go from here. Where can we learn more about NextgenID and yourself?
NextgenID, we're a US company. All our technology and our software is made here in the US, and we work primarily with government and large commercial enterprises that want to ensure the integrity of their identities and their user populations.
And what's the website, LinkedIn, all of that?
Everything is NextgenID, NextgenID.com.
Excellent, you've heard it here. Thank you so much for coming on.
Thank you, Ian.
And as always, to the listeners, to the viewers, subscribe wherever you are. We're at Nidus, IAM, NYEDIS, IAM, everywhere. Twitter, X now, Instagram, TikTok, all of that. So thank you very much, guys.
Nidus has just created the first iOS app made exclusively for identity management professionals. It's called Nidus Breachcast, and you can download it now. It's amazing. We have real-time updates of all the latest breaches that are occurring, CVEs as they come out real-time, really pertaining just to identity management. We have media that's going on this podcast. We're going to be bringing in a lot more others as well. And we even have a complete vendor list of all the identity management vendors and all their products, so you can find out exactly where to download their software, all the documentation. And what's even more awesome is an identity management glossary. All those crazy words and acronyms that we can never remember, they're all listed in there for you. No ads, just pure information to make your life simple.